Hey everyone, I made it into Costco. So right here up front, they have skull candy. Limit 3, $50, ends April the 23rd. Okay, they're supposed to be like noise canceling. So please be careful if you have teenagers because trust me, they will not hear you. They will not hear themselves crossing the road because yeah, it's real. Power Beats Pro, $180, 24 hours with charging case. They are sweat and water resistant. No sweat is going to ruin your jogging. I don't even know if sweat could be that bad where it ruins your earbuds. The Power Station. Okay, it is on discount till May 8th. Your limit is $580. Okay, $200. We have the Messenger brown bag. Jack George's. Okay. A backpack. You want the clutch wallet, they will be $80. They also have it in black. The slim wallet, $59.99. Wow. And we have the day duffel bag for $250. So it looks like they also have it in black. So the vacuum is $95. Your limit is $5. This one ends April the 30th. And those bags I was showing you, they're made out of buffalo. And $14.97. Of course, you will get 4. I like how they're stacking like that. And $20 here for a 3-piece. Yeah. He is amazed.
It's sealed. Oh, not really. But yeah, you open it. Supposedly it seals. Let's see. I don't know. I think that one's broken. That one's working. Okay.
And next to me, we have the 2-quart food storage. Let's see, made in the USA. These are $15. Here's what it looks like. I think we might have seen these before. $45. The 2-in-1 ends May 7th. Your limit is $10. And the jump starter power bank will be $55. Your limit is $5. Ends April 24th. If you're needing a window air conditioner, they have one for you. This one's going to be $400. Alexa, Google, long distance airflow, 24-hour timer. So the blanket on discount, 20 from 27, ends May 7th, and your limit is 10. Hey, 20 bucks from almost 30. You know, the stuff is like really good. And they also have the stripy one. The wicker bins are 17. Your limit is 5, ends April 16th. And of course you get 3 in here. The hamper will be $50, the canvas hamper, and it does have whales on it. And next to me, $15 for the cozy knit throw. Your limit is 10, ends April 16th. The cooling throw will be $22. Cooling touch technology. I love technology. 22 from Napoleon Dynamite, right? Is that what Kip sings? I love technology, you know? Okay. By 32 degrees, $10 from 13. Your limit is 10. Ends May the 12th. Oh my gosh, you guys. I still can't get over that we're halfway through April. April came like really, really fast. Like, I'm like, oh wow, we're already half over. Yep. $10. Your limit is 10, ends May 7th. And right next to me, you guys, 10 ends May 7th as well. Don't forget your yogurt. These are 5, ends May 7th. Get your freeze. Summer is coming. The children will be home. They're home. If you're looking for mini egg rolls, $7.99, ends May 7th. You know, somebody said these were kind of like the Jack in the Box. I've never tried egg rolls at Jack in the Box. $6.69, ends May 7th. Your limit is 5. And $4.50, my husband just threw some in the cart because they had a sample the other day, and so he liked them. No limit, ends May 7th, you guys. Next to me, 14. Your limit is 5. May 7th. Dark chocolate raspberry ends April 17th. So if you're a fan, get them before it's over, or you go back to paying 11. Dawn is $9.59. Your limit is 2. Ends May 7th. Cascade, $13.69, ends May 7th. Your limit is 2. Dishwasher gel is $8, so ends May 7th. Okay, that's actually not bad. Oxy, your limit is 5, ends May 7th. $14.29. Kevin's teriyaki stir fry is $12.79. $10.99 per pound. We have Blue Hill smoked whitefish. Okay, that's the new one for the Costco. So we're talking about $20. $20 for the little fishy man. Hey, today they have the dippers. $6.79. Roasted chili lime, $17.32. They're $5 a pound. All right, you guys, meat prices today. So this one, pretty much $93. Now this is USDA prime beef, $18 a pound. Now if you're wanting like choice grade, $10.99 a pound, so 57. I'm just gonna round that. $7.59. We have oat crunch honey. That's a new one. I haven't seen it yet. I've been watching the guy sell like those $1,000 grills here in Costco, because he asked my husband, like, what are you waiting for to buy one? We're like, money? I don't have $1,000 just to blow on a grill. The $12.99 here, and he was trying to sell it to a lady and her husband. He's all like, you could cook cinnamon rolls on here. I'm like, I got an oven. I got an oven, and yeah. $8.89 here. Cheerios, oat crunch, cinnamon. Okay, I found a new snack. These are $17, the potato stick. So it looks like you have carrot and parsley. So somebody in the comment section mentioned the sourdough. This is actually really good. My favorite to buy, and I like to freeze one because sourdough bread in my local grocery store, one loaf is $5.50. $28.99. Your foundation, skincare, and SPF in one. Cashews, Baja Taco cashews. Wow, $8.99. Oh, Costco and Sam's Club getting a lot of spicy like cashews. And $7.49 watermelon rings. I am actually gonna try it, you guys. I've never tried this stuff. And tell them, look, 0 sugar beef jerky. We get 2 6-ounce for $15. Made with 100% beef. I hope so. Come on now. So we have JoJo's dark chocolate plant-based for $10. Hawaiian bites. Is that what it is? It says on the sign Hawaiian bites. They are non-GMO, macadamia, coconut, and sea salt. No soy ingredient. Alright, you guys, I think that is going to do it for this Costco walkthrough. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.